Good afternoon, everyone. So, our today's topic is Negotiable Instrument Act 1881. As you see, this act was established in 1881. However, it was enacted in 1882 March. This act was applicable to whole India when it was in conception. It was applicable to whole India except the state of Jammu and Kashmir. Nowadays, it is applicable to whole India, including state of Jammu and Kashmir. So, if we talk about the Negotiable Instrument Act, we will see that there are certain kind of negotiable instruments which we discuss in Negotiable Instrument Act. So first we need to understand what is negotiable instrument means. So negotiable instrument is consist of two words. First is negotiable and second is instrument. So first we need to understand what is negotiable means. So the word negotiable means transferability, and if I'm talking about transferability, it means transferability of right of ownership. So negotiable means transferability and or any written document which creates a right in favor of some person. And now the instrument means a written document. So the negotiable instrument literally means a written document which creates a right in favor of somebody, and it is freely transferable till its maturity. And that these transferability can be done by delivery only or endorsement and delivery both. So now we move on to characteristics or features of negotiable instrument. See, nowadays we are dealing in cash. That means if we receive consideration from somebody, we can and we have to make payment for that. So there are certain options to make payment. We can go for cash, we can go for a promissory note which creates right in favor of that person, so that he can liquidate that promissory note, or bill of exchange, or we can pay via check also. So these are the three instruments which is dealt in Negotiable Instrument Act 1881. However, there are certain amendments in during these years. So we will discuss as it comes. So we are talking about characteristics of negotiable instrument. So first essential feature or characteristics of negotiable instrument is freely transferable or easy negotiability. That means a negotiable instrument is freely transferable. That means if I have a promissory note drawn by some person, and I have taken consideration from another person, so I can transfer that promissory note to that person. He can transfer to some other person. The other person will can transfer to another person, and so on. So a negotiable instrument can be transferable till its maturity, and it can be easily negotiability. That means the ownership right also transfers as we transfer the negotiable instrument. Second characteristics is title of holder is free from all defect. See, for example, if I'm making a check and I have a defective title for that check, that means maybe I am not the right person to sign that check, but I forged the sign of some person, and I uh, give this check to another person. So the another person will become holder in due course, and the holder in due course can get better title than me. So this is known as title of holder is free from all the defects. If the title of previous owners of the check of the negotiable instrument was defective, it does not affect the title of afterward holders. Third characteristics of negotiable instrument is transferee can file suit in his own name. So any transferee or any holder in due course, if the negotiable instrument is dishonored, so he can file suit against all the previous parties to the negotiable instrument in his own name, because the ownership right has been transferred. Now, next characteristics is negotiable instrument can be negotiated in finite time. So, a negotiable instrument can be negotiated in finite time, but there is a condition before, and the condition is that should be before maturity. So, every negotiable instrument has a maturity, and it is freely transferable, and you can negotiate to any number of times, but it should not reach beyond the maturity date of negotiable instrument. So before maturity it can be negotiated in finite times. Then the last characteristics of negotiable instrument is pre-assumptions. There are certain pre-assumptions associated with negotiable instruments. Those assumptions are, first assumption is for consideration. That means every negotiable instrument was taken on behalf of any consideration. That means a person is holding a negotiable instrument, and that negotiable instrument, the maker was someone else, that it was considered, that it was pre-assumed that the maker has received the consideration for it. That means something in return. So consideration means something in return. So the maker has received something in return of that negotiable instrument. The second pre-assumption is as to date. So every negotiable instrument is valid only if there is a date mentioned on the face of negotiable instrument. If there is no date, that means negotiable instrument has a defect. Third pre-assumption is as to time of acceptance. So every negotiable instrument has a maturity. So in case of promissory notes and bill of exchange, there are 6 months validity, and in case of checks there is a 3-month validity of negotiable instrument. So the time of acceptance should be before the date of maturity of negotiable instrument. Afterward, the negotiable instrument will discharge. Next pre-assumption is as to transfer before its maturity. That means the transferability of a negotiable instrument is considered only before its maturity. After maturity, the instrument will become non-transferable. And last pre-assumption is as to stamp. That means every negotiable instrument which is made by a maker or endorsed by a holder in due course or acceptor, accepted by acceptor. So every party to a negotiable instrument has to duly stamp the negotiable instrument. That means he has to provide signature and authentication of on the face of negotiable instrument. Without this, a negotiable instrument cannot become a valid negotiable instrument. So these were the characteristics of negotiable instrument. I hope you understand the topic. Thank you so much.